So good day everyone. My name is Marvinice P. Tomba. I will be presenting the Virus. So next tayo. Here's the causing human infection. We have sa genius meron tayong Virus. Ang virus niya may variola, vaccine niya monkeypox, cowpox. Ang Virus naman merong ORF and then milker's node and then meron din tayong unclassified molecular contagioso. Das Tanapax. So, mamaya i-discuss natin kung ano ba yung primary host niya at yung disease ng mga bawat na to. So, here's the properties of the smallpox virus, variola virus. Poxvirus are largest and most complex virus. They can be seen under light microscope. The properties are the size of largest virus is 300x, 200x, 100 nm. Tapos yung shape niya is brick shape. Yung genome niya naman is from double-stranded. Ang DNA naman niya as this shape. Ang capsid naman niya is double layer. Ang envelope niya naman is lipoprotein envelope. Ang lateral body, it is a lens-shaped structure on either side of the genome. It contains a DNA-dependent RNA polymerase. The virus has only one stable serotype. Ang life cycle naman niya is, kung tawagin or pathogenesis, yung inhalation to replication in upper respiratory mucosa. Ang primary verum niya naman is virus spread to lymphoid tissue. Doon nag-spread yung virus. Yung secondary verum niya naman is reaches internal organs to skin. Ang lesion naman is progress from macules to papules to vesicles to pustules to scab, and then leaves pitted scars after healing as small cups. So, dito na tayo sa clinical future of infection cause kung saan naggagaling yung smallpox virus. Kung merong sa COVID-19 merong isolation, meron din dito incubation period to 7 to 14 days, bali 2 weeks. The disease is characterized by prodromal symptoms, fever, and malaise, followed by the rash, which first appears on the buccal mucosa and the spread over the body. So, yung Foxyvirus are large DNA virus visible under a light microscope that cause skin lesion or uh, pustular eruption in human and animals. Ang smallpox naman, kung tawagin natin is variola virus, deadly viral disease spread by inhalation, causing fever and rash that forms scabs. It has been eradicated through vaccination. So, what prophylactic measures have been in use for preventing smallpox virus? Uh, Smallpox has been eradicated by global use of live attenuated virus vaccine. Routine vaccination is now stopped, napatigil. So, dito na tayo sa silent future of the infection caused by the following virus. Madidiscuss na natin kanina kung ano yung mga nagkukos nito. Meron tayong cowpox and milker's node, and then sa familiar tayo yung monkeypox, and then ORF, Tanopox and Molluscum contagiosum, and Vacina. So, dito na tayo sa cowpox. Ang cowpox is an occupational infection from cows that cause pustular lesion on the hands or fingers of people who milk infected in animals. Ayan yung itsura niyan, napakita na natin. Kung ano yung itsura ng cowpox and milker nodes. Nasa taas yung sa cowpox kung ano itsura niya, and then sa baba yung milker nodes. So, dito na tayo sa monkeypox. Familiar tayo dito, di ba? Ang monkeypox, a smallpox-like disease transmitted from animal to humans. Human to human transmission is rare. Doon nanggagaling yon. Uh, Dito na tayo ngayon sa ORF. It is a contagious pustular dermatitis or sore mouth of sheep and goats. Doon nanggagaling. A disease transmitted from sheep or goats, sabi ko nga kanina, producing a single ulcerative lesion on the hand or face or sa ating forearm. Do'n nanggagaling 'yon. So, dito na tayo sa Tanabox. Hindi ko mapakita yung picture kasi wala akong mahanap sa ah, internet. So, ang Tanabox is nagko-cause siya sa mild fever and single skin lesion found along the Tana River in Kenya, sabi nga dito, and unrelated to other poxvirus. So, dito na tayo sa molluscum contagiosum. Ito yung itsura niya. Ganyan siya. So, molluscum contagiosum is a human-only skin infection that produce a small pearly warts-like lesion on the arms, legs, or genital. So, dito na tayo sa basina. Ang basina, it does not occur in nature. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Cowpox virus used for vaccine, production against smallpox underwent change and become differentiable from original cowpox virus. Ang Bacina virus is a modified cowpox virus used to create the smallpox vaccine and now used as a vector in a developing recombinant vaccine. So that's all for our poxyvirus topic.